This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Brad Thompson. Wonderful opportunity to live in a beautiful condo in the heart of Sequoyah Hills. Unit 613 has been extensively renovated with numerous features designed by and executed under the direction of an architect. Unit has its own laundry, renovated baths and kitchen, handsome gas fireplace and amply sized living and dining spaces. The balcony, which opens off the living room/dining room area, affords room for dining table with seating, plus extra seating and, of course, your plant's ! Amenities include a nice clubhouse with conference area, lounge/gathering room with fireplace, an outdoor dining terrace overlooking a large pool and, of course, kitchen and restrooms. And, we should note, Square is convenient to all Bearden and West Knoxville dining, shopping and entertainment options, as well as being within 4 miles of the University of Tennessee campus. For more information, review the details below or contact Brad Thompson at 865-693-1111.